Brown, the Kitchen Vixen, and I had started a cooking video, and then my phone rang, and I forgot to put on airplane mode. So anyway, I'm making my food before I go to work today. I just went to the gym. I ran with my backpack. I have a new running backpack, so I just kept it on because I'm like, wanted to show you how cool it is and how much it's, when I use it, I get to take all my equipment to the gym, my water, my towels, my little ab wheel, which is my favorite, all my bands and whatever. And then it also helps engage my core more because as I've gotten older, I'm about to turn 51, I have gained some weight here, which I can't stand, but I know I'm very fortunate that I've pretty much maintained a very flat stomach most of my life. I haven't had children, so I try to fight the signs of aging as much as I can with natural things like diet and exercise. And I truly believe that exercise is like the best thing for your face, because when you're working out, you like make the face, you're like, you're lifting weights, you're grimacing, and so you're engaging your neck muscles and your facial muscles. And then before I got interrupted with my phone call, and I had to start my video over again, I was lamenting over how when I was in college, how like resourceful I became. I wasn't even going to go to college because my parents didn't want me to go to college. They wanted me to get a job. So instead I was going to go in the Air Force. And while I was waiting to go in the Air Force, I worked at a gym, and I'd always been into weightlifting. I was a power lifter in high school, and then I became a bodybuilder between the year I was waiting to go in the Air Force and then when I went to college. So onions are getting really dark, so I'm going to take these out of the skillet actually for a minute. And I was explaining to somebody when I was putting together this recipe in my head, like while I was working out, I'm like, yeah, I think I want to like brown the chicken and then make a reduction, but put it in the oven, but I also want to make my sweet potatoes. So there's a lot of steps here, and I haven't really fully thought it through, but I'm just going to like ad-lib it. So I'm going to let the chicken brown a little more, and I can put my sweet potatoes in now. So when I worked at a gym, I really got into health and fitness more, and I thought, I'm going to go to school to be a dietitian because it just seemed like a more universal field. I mean, I love working out probably more than I love food, actually. It's not good to say if I want a cooking show, but I just love working out. So, but I also love food because it's what fuels me so that I can keep working out. So it goes hand in hand. And I'm going to put it in the oven, and then while it cooks, I'm going to take a shower, get ready to go to work. Just so you know, too, I keep my cutting board covered with a towel because my cats do come up and down on my counter, if you may have seen them in my other videos. So, so I just browned the chicken in like a little bit of butter and olive oil, and then I added some fresh thyme and rosemary because it happened to be in my fridge, and then I added some garlic and onions. So I'll add those at the end after I make my sauce or whatever it is I figure out what I'm going to do. I want to finish everything in the oven, and then I'm going to add some bok choy. Basically, I just want an all-encompassing meal. The thing is, like, everyone always has excuses for why they don't eat healthy or why they don't exercise. And I guess for what I'm trying to prove here is like I just improvise. Like, I mean, maybe that's a gift, but sometimes you just have to think outside the box. So like when I went to the gym today, I knew I wanted to do chest and triceps. I was on that day. Chest, triceps, back buys, legs and shoulders. Those are my splits, and abs and calves in there. But I wasn't exactly sure what I was going to do. So I looked around to see what was available when I went outside, and I ended up using mostly a metal. Actually, it was really like a good stress reliever because I would throw the ball against the wall and throw it on the ground, and then I would get down and do like push-ups on the ball, and it was really hard actually, and it was hot out, and I'm not complaining because it's cold everywhere else, but it was really warm today, so it was a great workout. And now I need good fuel. I gotta go to work. I'm really running late, so let me finish this up and put this in the oven, take a shower, and I'll be back with my hair all did. All right, bye. But I also need a protein shake for the day, and I got some fresh raspberries at the farmer's market yesterday. But then I used vanilla protein powder because I do not like chocolate and raspberries. I think it's the worst combination ever. I'm sorry. I threw in my nutritional yeast. I have some spinach. I'm trying to use that. Put all my nuts and seeds, my seeds together. I have my pumpkin, sunflower, and sesame seeds. Again, those are the most nutrient rich. They have the highest iron and zinc. So those are two minerals that are really difficult to get in your diet, especially if you're not a meat eater. Like by meat, I mean all animal products, chicken, fish, whatever, beef. So it's hard to get enough iron and zinc. Just keep that in mind. You need to make sure you have a vitamin C source with that plant-based iron so that you absorb the iron better. So that's where the raspberries and spinach will come in hand. I do use soy milk versus almond milk. Sometimes I use dairy milk if it's from grass-fed cows, but I like the soy milk. It has 10 grams of protein. Hi, Chandler. It has phytoestrogens, which are cancer fighters. If you like the soy milk, if you use almond milk, you don't get any protein. That's your call. I just don't see the point, sorry. And I'm just gonna blend it up. Chandler, it's gonna scare you. Okay, I'll wait to blend this because I'm gonna scare my cat. Chandler, can I blend? Ready? All right, let's see. You don't want to scare you. You want that? She likes to knock things off the counter. All right, watch out, Chandler. Okay, dude, I totally outdid myself with this. I can tell the chicken is amazing and the sweet potatoes are perfect. So now I just have to finish off last one of my bok choy. Yeah, it's really hot because I had the whole pan in the oven. And this is my le creuset. I gotta say it properly. I studied French. Le creuset. Le creuset. Le creuset. Anyway, my cookware, it's really heavy cast iron. It's beautiful. Look at that chicken and sweet potatoes, dude. It's the bomb. Okay, so I have my oven, my stovetop set on medium low again. Alright, let me try the reduction. I'm going to deglaze the pan first with some balsamic vinegar. Maybe a spatula. That spatula's my name on it. Kitchen Vixen. People look at me and be like, oh, you know, you're a good marketer. I'm like, yeah, I don't know, I just like stuff. Like the other day I was looking for Band-Aids that I put my logo on, but I haven't found them yet. So maybe not going to be as intense as I suppose. A little reduction here. Alright. And then I guess I can add the bok choy. Just to keep the bok choy and then reheat the onions and garlic and thyme and stuff, and that'll make a great little like sauce to accompany my sweet potatoes and my chicken. I already made my protein shake, and I'm off to work. Off to go to work. Yeah, you know that song, right? Like the 90s. I can't remember the words. Okay, anyway. To go with the bok choy. I'm going to experiment. You just can't be afraid to mess up. Never afraid to fail. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Alright, so then I just need a container to put it in. I've got all these like beautiful glass boxes. Hi Chandler. Chandler's behind the camera now. Chandler, I'm not getting my chicken in. Dude, it's so pretty. I have to go to work and quickly run into work. Probably drink my protein shake and then I'll eat this. So I guess I do eat cold food. I don't care. Gotta do what you gotta do. The point is that I'm eating, taking good food with me that which I'm going to consume to refuel my muscles because I worked out. I tried triceps today. And to prevent dementia, because I work with dementia patients and I want to go down that road. And then, so I also won't make bad choices, which I wouldn't anyway. I don't ever eat takeout. So, let me just show you before. I won't put everything in, but it looks delicious. Hi, Chandler. Okay, here we go. This is how I take it to work with me. So yummy. This tastes really hot. Dude. Bomb diggity. Okay.